Welcome to the Manhattan and Brooklyn folding table base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the handle, the cross brace, the lockable heavy-duty casters, the handle brackets, the column uprights, the folding mechanisms, and the legs. The hardware that will be included are 4 8mm bolts, 12 25mm screws, 8 20mm screws, and 4 each of the split and normal washers. The tools you will need are firstly a drill with a 5mm Phillips head attachment, as well as a 4 and 8mm Allen key attachment, a 16mm spanner, and thread lock. Part 1. Use the 4mm Allen key drill bit to remove the pre-assembled screws from both ends of the cross brace. Next, line up the tab on the column to the tab on the brace and place together. Apply thread lock to the screw you just removed and place it through the column. Finally, use the drill to securely tighten the screws. Once complete, flip over and do the same to the other side. Line up the tabs, apply thread lock, insert the screw, and tighten with the drill. Next, stand the frame upright and place the folding mechanisms on top of the columns. Make sure that the reinforced red retaining arms are facing the correct and same way. Take 2 of the 8mm bolts and thread a split and normal washer onto the end. Apply thread lock and place them through the mechanisms, attaching them to the columns. Change the drill to the 8mm Allen key and use it to tighten the bolts. Once tightened, flip the base over so the mechanisms are upside down. Fit the leg pieces onto the end of the columns by interlocking the tabs. Apply thread lock to the remaining bolts and washers, place them through the holes, and tighten with the drill. Lastly, screw the casters onto the end of the legs and tighten with the spanner. Part 2. Attaching the top. The hardware supplied is only suited to fitting 25mm melamine tops. Therefore, different hardware will be required for compact laminate tops or anything smaller than 25mm. Firstly, line up the base, placing it in the middle of the desired tabletop. Next, use the 5mm Phillips head drill bit to attach the 25mm long screws into the 6 holes on each folding mechanism. Grab the handle brackets and line them up with the folding mechanisms. The brackets have 3 adjustable settings to fit different size tops. Select the correct size for your top length. Slide the brackets back together and place it into the mechanism. Position the handle into the holes on the side of the brackets and push together. Ensure everything is lined up, then use the drill to secure the 20mm screws into the 4 corner holes of each bracket. And lastly, gently test that the mechanism is working smoothly. To fold away, pull the handle towards you and hold it there until the table is in the upright position. To fold out, pull the handle up and hold it there until it is in the table position. The Brooklyn only comes in a complete black finish. However, the Manhattan is available in both black or white with a stainless steel leg option. These tables are available in a 12, 15, or in an 1800 by 700mm variation, perfect for accommodating any size space along with featuring their folding mechanism and casters, making them easy to store and move.